Ever since I could remember, I have been fascinated by tall buildings, elevators, and parking garages. Now I'm sharing it with you. Welcome to DEVM. Hey folks, welcome to DEVM. I'm your host, Daniel Moore. Today on this episode, we have a parking garage tour with an elevator integrated into the tour, believe it or not. And this is over at the Community Hospital East in Indianapolis. I know, I make it sound like a hotel. Doesn't that kind of sound like a hotel to you? The Community Hospital East Inn. No, it's actually called Community Hospital East, if you're curious, so don't want anybody taking that the wrong way. There's the hospital over there. Just kind of pan around, kind of see where everything is. There's an ambulance right there. Here's the parking garage right here. And great news. Free parking. Now if you remember we going to the top?
Sure.
Alright. Well, I just think we should do speed bumps and parking garages. Who invented that idea? Oh. Yeah. As you can tell, this is basically the IU Hospital garage and the Riley Outpatient Center garage mixed together, because it has the layout of the Riley Outpatient Center garage, and it also has the lighting of the IU Hospital parking garage. So just a little food fact for you. It's only a 3-story garage. And you have just the basic windows in a hospital, not a hospital, but just a basic window set up in a parking garage. Yeah, didn't take too long to get to the top now, did it? Parking a handicap spot, no. Actually, I can't park in a handicap spot. I don't have the tags for it.
You can park next to a handicap spot.
Better idea. Alright, watch, we're going to keep the camera safely running, if I can get my hands free of the seatbelt. Oh, already locked. I got the doors locked. So, get my can out of here. Oh, sorry about that, folks. There's the elevators over there. Now, rule of thumb in a parking garage, especially for cane users, always double check and look, make sure where you're going. Flash your cane before you go so people know you're visually impaired. Just food for thought. I don't see the handicap button on here, so we're going to do the next best thing is push it open, apparently. Alright. And over here, I don't know what kind these are. We'll find out in a minute.
Here, I'm going to do it for you.
Oh, okay, thanks. Here, we'll take a look at the buttons here. Oh, there's 3 in a bank. Yep, Dover. Yep, typical Dover. Don't knock yourself out now. Alright, let's see. Ooh, this parking garage has an LL. Let's check that out. 1, 2, and then, okay, yeah.
Stop to level 2.
I was going to, just close that so I don't have to mess the door closed. Floor indicators cooked. Nope, wait, just the 2 is cooked out apparently. And lower level is cooked. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's take a quick view. Oh, how do you love that? I like the lighting setup they put down here. Very interesting. Well, okay. Let's see if we can go get a different elevator. Let's go around. Impulse fixtures. I cannot tell if this is a Hydra. Oh, same one as last time. Alright. And we're going to get our cab view going back up to 3. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Listen to that motor while we get our cab view. Alright,
Good view.
alright. I'm just doing the filming. I'll tell you what, go ahead and press lower level again. I'm still trying to get this cab view. Oh. Yeah, wooden floors. I like the light. I like Dover. I really like Dover's products they put into these things. You got the Dover logo up here. Dover Buzz. And so we're gonna go to 1. And let's watch this button go out. And then, hey, Mother Hen, do you want to go film any more of these in here?
Well, I think I need to go pick up Grandma.
Alright. That happens to be. Here, you go ahead and stay on. If it closes, just hit 1 or door open.
Hi.
Look over here. You kind of, you can see that
Yeah,
over here is the hospital entrance.
Parking garage.
Over here is the parking garage.
We're gonna pick.
Like I said, hospital entrance.
Yeah.
Over there is Mother Hen.
We're gonna pick Mother Hen. So Dan can help me. We're gonna go pick up my mom and then go back and get Haley.
Alright, oh.
Oh, we just got here a few minutes ago. I think we're wrapping up.
Alright, and now let's go ahead and head back up to 3.
You'll get to see the finished product when you get home.
Let's see if 3's burnt out. No.
Okay, so
Just 1 and 3 are able to light. Alright. I love the smell of an elevator bank in a parking garage. I really do. Stay tuned next week for the conclusion of this episode.